What is the value of the expression 14 divided by 7 times open parenthesis 1 plus 1 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first add 1 plus 1 inside the parentheses, which gives them 14 divided by 7 times 2. In the next step, which I have highlighted in yellow, they multiply 7 by 2, which becomes 14 divided by 14. And finally, they get the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, first we go to the parenthesis, since it has the highest priority compared to the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 14 divided by 7 times 2. In the next step, we need to evaluate this expression. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the equation and move up step by step toward the right. So, we divide 14 by 7, which gives us 2 times 2. And finally, it equals 4. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.